Hey, this is Marco, and today I'm going to show you how to duplicate your Shopify store. If you want to get Shopify for only $1 your first month, if you want that, click the link in the description. So basically what you have to do is you have to use CSV files to back up your store information. So you can export products, customers, orders, gift card orders, discount codes, and financial data. Basically to do that, so for example, if I were to go to my products and select one, as you can see, I have the export button. I would click the export button and plain CSV file or Excel, but I would recommend the plain CSV file. Then you would just click export product and the product would be exported. You download it and that's pretty much it. And what you need to do on your new site, so basically when you duplicate the store, you can transfer some types of store information by using the CSV files. But other types of information must be entered manually in your Shopify admin. Now, of course, you can't import your visitor traffic site because you have like a new My Shopify domain. Orders can be imported into a store to Shopify admin, but they can be imported through the Shopify API. Discounts can be transferred, issues gift, like all of these things. So now that you have everything exported, you need to log into both stores as the store owner. Make sure that the new store is on the same subscription plan as the original store. Then select the theme in the new store or upload the theme file from your computer you exported. Export CSV files to backup following types of store information. Then, once it's exported, import a CSV file into your products. So to do that, for example, products, you would just go here, you would click on import, add the file you have downloaded, and then click on upload and preview. Now, of course, if you didn't create collections by adding a column, then you have to create them manually for the new store. And of course, reinstall all apps, manually configure your store settings, and these two are options, so you don't have to do them. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe. If you want to get Shopify for free, click the link in the description.